Today, we stand on the foundation we established in the past. The superstructure of the present has given us the boundless possibilities for the future. We are Agappe, the world's fastest growing in vitro diagnostics company. With world-class manufacturing facility, certified with international standards, catering to the domestic and global market, we ensure that we keep high standards of quality in our production process. Agappe is the only company in India with the capability to produce immunoturbidimetry and nephelometry reagents. We indigenously manufacture and market about more than 250 reagent kits. With seamless integration built into last-mile logistic solutions, we reassure our commitment and build products and services that stands a class apart.
Over the last 2 decades, Agappe has evolved into a renowned manufacturer of reagents for hematology testing. I am happy to be part of Agappe's revolutionary idea to bring high-end technology in cellular analysis to the masses.
We are blessed where we are at a time in human history inscribing a new era that would change the world forever. We are now looking at times where we see a distinct future in amalgamation of reagent production and equipment manufacturing. We research, design, manufacture, and test our innovative products at our state-of-the-art equipment manufacturing plant, which adheres to the stringent international standards in testing and operations.
Inserting cartridge.
Agappe is known for its quality, and we are equipped with the most sophisticated devices in our production and quality control departments. Our consistency in manufacturing with quality has always been above the standards we keep for safety and affordability of the products and services for our customers. We follow a unique set of processes that includes a high-tech reliability testing process, which makes sure our products are at par with our promise. To support our growing deliveries, we have a process-oriented and efficient logistics division in place. We are driven by cutting-edge research and development that has helped us execute technology tie-ups with giants in the industry. We never stopped at our R&D-driven approach, thus helping us to file patents and stride forward in our quest for the best.
Our R&D has helped us to establish and reinforce our commitment in expanding our offerings. With our own patented products, we continue to deliver the best to the welfare of mankind.
With focus more on customer insights, we optimized our quality control division over the years to deliver value-based solutions. We are a family guided by the divine love in building the fastest growing in vitro diagnostics company, offering a helping hand to our believers and followers for more than 25 years.
At Agappe, we keep things simple. We respect merit, we celebrate innovation, and we champion compassion. In our mission to change the world, we are always there to serve for the society and make lives better.
Identifying the actual problem helps to cure it properly. And if you get it wrong, it would cost a human life. And we at Agappe ensure that you never go wrong. Agappe, your best partner in diagnostics.